Introducing the GreenWorks Pro Cordless 18-inch chainsaw, powered by the 80-volt max battery system. Our industry-leading 80-volt battery system delivers unbelievable torque and power to cut through even the toughest jobs, all with zero emissions and none of the hassles of gas. This chainsaw is designed pro tough with a metal wraparound handle, steel bucking spikes, and electronic chain brake to keep you safe. Every GreenWorks Pro tool is engineered with cutting-edge DigiPro brushless motors to deliver maximum performance equivalent to a 45cc gas-powered chainsaw. There's no job this saw can't handle. And when you're ready to switch tools, you can move the battery to our complete line of 80-volt power tools in just seconds. For you, it's not just a tool, it's your life.
This is the new 9-gallon cordless wet dry vac. The first full-sized cordless wet dry vac from RIDGID. No outlet? No problem. With the freedom of a cordless power tool, you can take it anywhere and handle any mess. Wet, dry, or somewhere in between. No more cords to get in your way or hang you up. We've maxed out this motor to deliver corded power without the cord. Power was not sacrificed. Period. But power is only as good as how long it'll last. Run it with 1 or 2 batteries for up to double the runtime. Long enough to pick up 1,700 gallons of water. And for added convenience, you can mix and match the batteries from your other RIDGID cordless power tools. It's powerful, full-sized, and cordless, with up to double the runtime and the industry's leading full lifetime warranty.
Get power, accuracy, and big cutting capacity without the cord. The 18-volt X2 LXT 36-volt brushless 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw with laser. It's powered by 2 18-volt batteries for maximum performance and runtime. For carpenters and woodworkers, this miter saw delivers corded performance with the convenience and portability of cordless. The efficient brushless motor is engineered for longer runtime, increased power and speed, and longer tool life. With up to 334 cuts of 2x lumber on a single charge, you might work for days without a charge. You also get big capacity. It cuts up to 6 5/8 inch crown nested and 5 1/4 inch base vertical, and will cross-cut a 4x12. These are capacity numbers that will have you leaving your big 12-inch saw behind. The 2 steel rail sliding system has a single slide guide operation for smooth and accurate cutting. The reduced footprint allows the saw to be positioned flush against the wall. There are 6 positive miter stops, and the bevel lock is located in the front of the saw for easy access and quick adjustments. Added features include a large base, electric brake, and a direct drive system that enables smoother startups and consistent, constant power with no belts to slip or replace. For improved dust extraction, connect your vacuum system and put the dual dust collection ports to work. It's compatible with Makita's fast-charging 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. Makita lithium-ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating.
The M18 Fuel half-inch hammer drill and drill driver with 1 key are the industry's most powerful drills, delivering up to 60% more power than the competition. With up to 1.5 inches shorter length, these are the most compact drills in their class, providing better access in tight spaces. The PowerState brushless motor delivers 1,200 inch-pounds of torque and 2,000 RPMs, providing up to 2 times faster speed under heavy load for unmatched productivity. The M18 Fuel half-inch hammer drill and drill driver with 1 key give you the ability to customize, track, and manage your tool to fit the demands of any job, saving you time and protecting your investment. Track and manage your tool's location from anywhere. If ever lost or stolen, lock it out to disable it remotely. Tool customization allows you to optimize the tool for the work you do, increase your productivity with consistent performance, and save money by maximizing accessory life and reducing damage to materials. Save up to 3 tasks to the memory of the tool. and cycle through them when needed throughout your day without needing to reconnect your device. Anti-kickback technology increases control in bind-up situations and reduces unwanted shutdowns. Adjust anti-kickback sensitivity universally or for individually saved tasks.
Tackle your jobs with the CRAFTSMAN V20 20-volt max grinder. The high-performance motor has the power needed for grinding, and its cast metal gear housing provides durability. It's designed with a spindle lock that makes it easy to change the wheel. A contoured 3-position handle provides comfort, and when you're finished, you can easily hang it up out of the way. Add the powerful CRAFTSMAN V20 20-volt max grinder to your home improvement arsenal and make demanding projects easy.